What's happening, everybody? Today I want to talk to you about paint defect removal. So 3M has got a really nice hand kit. For those guys that don't want to have to take a sander out, this has everything you need. It gives you a square backing, a round backing, and a large rectangle backing. All of these are stick back. So it's like a little sticker. It's going to get everything from 1,000 all the way to 3,000. So if you got a little D-nib or if you got a scratch, any type of deep blemish removal, this is the kit for you. Let me show you how it works. So this kit can be used either wet or dry. I'm gonna go wet, I'm gonna go to 1,000. I wanna go a little bit more aggressive. And this kit's perfect. If you see, I got a scratch here and a scratch here, but I don't wanna have to sand this whole entire panel. So I'm gonna use this smaller kit so I can stay concentrated on these scratches here. And again, not have to do this whole entire panel. So I'm gonna wet a little bit here, give myself a mist. As you guys can see, I can stay really focused on top of those scratches and not have to do this entire panel. Gonna clean it up with some 2,000 after that 1,000 wet. I'm gonna go right to my 3,000, get it done. These papers are super, super refined. They're like little razor blades. All right, guys, well, there you have it. I went ahead and sanded that down. I went wet sand on this side. You could also use the system dry, but again, no tools required except for my machine, obviously, to buff it out, but all of my sanding done by hand, the 3M hand defect removal system. Try it out.